Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Myself is Manjunath Pandari. In the previous class, we were doing the exercise 3.1 have wind up. In today's class, I am going to do the exercise 3.2 understanding quadrilateral. This is the chapter number 3. Okay students, one more thing students, please like it and share it and subscribe the channel. Okay, students, let's start the class. Before starting the class, there are some formulas are there. Understanding quadrilateral. We must know that formulas. Okay students, so the first formula is we have to find each sum of the diagonals. For sum of them there is a formula. Before solving the exercise, there is some 5 to 6 formulas are there. We have to know that each one so that it will be easy to solve the problem. Okay, first problem. Number of diagonals. To find number of diagonals, there is a formula. So we can take it as n minus 3 by 2, where n is number of sides. Where n is number of sides. Okay, first formula. Second one. First one is over. Second one is for internal angles. For internal angle, total internal angle, how much your formula is there? For total internal angles, there is a formula. We have to know that formula. n minus 2 into 180. For instance, n minus 2, 180. n minus 2. For third one, for each internal angle. For each internal angle, there is n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. For each internal angle, we must divide by it by n. Okay. Now students, fourth one, for total external angle. For total external angle, 360 degree we are taking it. Fifth one, for each external angle we take 360 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. Okay, next last one. Just students, in this one, internal plus external angle will be 180 degree. Internal plus external is equal to 180 degree. So students, these all formulas you have to remember it. Okay, I will say one more time. One more step. This class I will be taking in bilaterally in English and Hindi, so that it will be helpful for all the students. Okay students. First formula, number of diagonals. There is formula n minus 3 divided by 2. n is the number of sides. So in this way we can find number of diagonals for anything. For total internal, इधर total internal angle के लिए n minus 2 into 180 होगा. Next one, for each external angle, n minus 2 into 180 divided by n होगा. For total external angles are 360 degree. For each external angle is 360 divided by n. Internal plus external is equal to 180. These are, if you know these 6 formulas, you can easily do the problem. Okay students, इधर नीचे प्रॉब्लम मालूम रहेगा तो फुल इजी होएगा प्रॉब्लम्स. Okay students, now I start the exercise 3.2. Okay, please note it down, screenshot it and do the exercise problems. Okay, I hope that you have noted down it. Okay, students. Now the exercise 3.2 first problem. Here we have to find the value of x. Find x. So first problem. So students, here we have to find the value of x. So here we find the value of x. So students, first basic thing we have to know this one is, if any line is there, the total will be 180 degree. Total will be 180 degree. So here the line this total will be 180 degree. So we have to find this one. For this one, for line equation, we have to take this one as a you take b you take. So for a we have to find it 125 plus a is equal to 180 degree. Questions? Now a is equal to 180 minus 125 means a is 55. Okay, sir? In the same way, b also we have to find it. The total is 180 degree. So here we will take as 125 plus b is equal to 180. So b will be getting as 55 degree. Okay, sir? Here it is 55. Here it is 55. See, sir, sum of the external angles is the addition of internal angles. This is our concept is there. To find external angle, if we add both this one, we will get x is equal to a plus b. X is equal to a plus. Otherwise, you take a triangle. So you can also triangle also you can do it. We can take in two methods. We can solve it. So first method is m1. If you add both this, you will get this answer. Otherwise, you take this angle and 180 minus substitute, we will get this angle. So here to find x is equal to a plus b. Why is a is the external angle? Adding of sum of internal angles is equal to a plus b. Okay. Now take a. A means here 55 plus b means 55. Total we get 110 degree. X is equal to 110 degree students. Okay, students, got it? It's very easy. Basic concept you have to know it. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. I will reply it. Okay. Note it down and go to the next problem. Stress, next problem, second one, this one first name, second one. degree, x degree, 90, perpendicular, here is 60. So we have to find the value of x here. We have to find the value of x student here. So here, students, first we have to find this inner this one. Students, here I am taking A. Here I will take B. Perpendicular means this also will be 90 degree. Now we have to find the value of it. Means 70 plus A is equal to 180. So A is equal to 180 minus 70. So A is equal to 110. So A will be 110. Okay, students. Next one. 60 plus B is equal to 180. B is equal to 180 minus 60. B is equal to 120. So B will be 120. Sum of all the quadrantals will be 360 degree. Sum of all the quadrantals will be 360 degree. So I will take quadrilateral. Quadrilateral will be 360 degree. So here what first angle will be 110. plus 90 plus here is 90. Okay, sum of the quadratics will be so 120 plus 90 plus you have to know this one. So I will this one I will take C. C is equal to 366 students. Okay. Now I will add all this one. 200. So student, now we have to add all this, all the three ones. So okay, add it now. It is a pentagon, friends. It is a pentagon. This one is coming wrong. Pentagon means 540 will be there. If we add all this one, we will get C is equal to 540 minus. C is equal to 540 minus 410. C is equal to, we will be getting 130 result. So here we will get C. 130 plus x is equal to 180 because it is the external angle, the line equation. So here will be x is equal to 180 minus 130. So x will be 50. So here we will get the x value is 50. So in this way you have to solve this problem. It is a pentagon. I take it is a quadrilateral. It is a pentagon. 5 set square. 5 set square will 540. 540 we add this one we get 410. After subtracting we get 130. After coming here we will get x is equal to 150. Okay students, got it? Okay, please note it down and go to the next problem. Yes sir, I think you have noted it down. So second question is, find the measurement of each external angle. Means each external angle we have to find the measurement. Find the measurement of each external angle. Each external angles. You know that each external angle formula is 360 divided by n. Okay, so now first one they given as 9. Second one is given as 15. Okay, we have to find the each external angle. So okay, so it is nothing but n. So for formula we can write it as 360 divided by this is the formula of each external angle. You can do one more method. Internal angle also you can take it and you can find it. But it is easy. They ask direct the external angle. So external 360 divided by n. So 360 divided by 9. Here we divide by 9 means what will be 9 1 9 4. See 40. For 9 degree each external will be 40 degree. Okay. So next one 360 divided by 15. Okay students. Now 15 on the 15 2 the 30. 6 is there, 24 degree. So for each 15 degree for external angle will be 24 degree. Okay, students, it is very easy. Okay. Students, note it down and go to the next one. So next problem, third one. I read out the question. How many sides does a regular polygon have? Its measurement of external angle is 24 degree. We have to find the external angle side now. Third one. External angle each is given as 24 degree. We have to find the N here. You know that each external angle formula is there. Each external formula is there. What is the formula? 360 divided by n. In this one, each external angle is given as 24 only. So let us substitute it. 24 is equal to 360 divided by n. So n is equal to 360 divided by 24. 24 ones are 12 means 140 means 15. N is equal to 15 sides are there for this one. Okay. For n is equal to 15 sides are there. Okay, students. Here I will be winding up the class. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Okay, students. We'll catch up in the next class. Okay. Hope you like my video. Please like it and share it. Thank you, students.